The summary of this whole video is this. I bought a new laptop recently. I couldn't use DHL eShop. If you've been following my channel for some time, you realize I use DHL eShop. I couldn't use it. Instead, I used a service called Fishisfast. Fishisfast, you buy your item, you give it to them. They also give it to a courier service like FedEx. I chose for them to use. They bring the item to the country and then you go to customs to go and claim it. This whole experience is the new process I went through in getting my laptop. And I want to use this video to kind of like explain a bit more into it. But if you're here for what this whole video is about, that's what you just saw and heard, and you don't need to watch any further. But if you want to learn about the details, then let's get started. First of all, why did I stop using DHL eShop? I've been using the platform for about a year now. Ever since they started, I've been using the platform. And it's been amazing. Like, I buy things on Sunday, by Friday it's already in the country and on my desk in the office. It's that good. My last but one purchase with the platform, the pricing was straightforward. I usually expect to be paying 30% on the total price of whatever. So if I'm buying something of a price of, let's say $100, I'm going to pay 30%, which is like $30 on it, which is something I already know and have been doing. And I've used the platform for some time and also like spent a bit on it. My recent transaction I wanted to do, I noticed the price has jumped from 30% to 55% on custom tax and duties. Before they slap on top their DHL service fees and handling and stuff like that. So I was curious and wanted to learn more about why is there any price change. So I started from More for Africa. I started from actually DHL, tried to find if there's been a change in the pricing for customs here in the country. Couldn't find anything. Then followed up to More for Africa. Long story short, they never explained to me what the price increase came from or what it is. My issue basically is not necessarily about a price increase. In these times, I think there's been some price increases for courier service. The pressure on them is increased and stuff like that. But the lack of transparency and the lack of communication is what is worrying, in the sense that the price increase on the DHL eShop has been added onto the customs and duties and whatever pricing, which makes it confusing because there has not been any increase of those kind on the part of Ghana Customs. DHL also, when I asked, they had not increased their charges, at least at the time of when I checked. It was weird, like, where is the price increase coming from? More for Africa, up to date, has not responded to me. Basically, the last response I got was because of the COVID, they are under pressure. So in total, when you put that 55% on top of their service charge and whatever, then you are paying something like 70% of the total price of what you're buying, which is crazy. I started looking for alternatives and then basically switched, and that led me to Fishisfast. What is Fishisfast? In summary, they will give you a locker, like a locker address. So you buy an item into the locker address from anywhere you want to shop online. They pick it up, they let you know your item is in, then they start processing it. So if you want them to deliver it to any address you want, they process that and do everything behind the scenes for you, and that's pretty much it. So you pay for the courier service. In my case, I use FedEx, and that's what I had to pay for, and that's about it. What you need to keep in mind when using the Fishisfast is that you are responsible for going to claim your own items, compared to the DHL eShop, where whatever you are paying is part of the whole process. So from the handling to the shipping to the delivery to the custom tax and duty, they would handle everything for you. In this case, you would have to go and claim it on your own. So I had to spend like 3 days at customs trying to claim my laptop, and that has been a frustrating experience. It's something, as much as possible, you want to avoid if you can. That has been the experience so far. I am not going to sit here and recommend Fishisfast for you guys. I was excited about DHL eShop. Just about a 1 year interval, they've tanked, they've started behaving totally unexpectedly. It's hard for me to, at this point in time, say, oh, this is a service you should use. I'm only making this video to tell you what my option was in times of when DHL decided to disappoint. It's not necessarily DHL, it's the Mall for Africa organization. If you want to try Fishisfast, yes you can. My laptop was stuck in the UK for 1 month. I was stuck with FedEx for 1 month. So your mileage in these times is going to vary and it's going to be different. But Fishisfast is what I used. If you're looking for options, that is something you can use. My friend Ishmael also recently used Aquantuo, which is a different courier shipping delivery service that if you want to learn more about what they also do and how their process is like, you might want to check out his video. I'm going to link that in the description below. In my case, Fishisfast is what I used and that's been my experience so far, and I really enjoyed using the platform, so I would definitely want to use it the next time. It's a good option out there. So that's been the whole process involved in getting my new laptop. Because of the new laptop, I'm now able to work faster, edit videos faster, and so you should be seeing more videos coming from me on this channel. If you've not checked my recent videos, there's been a ton of drone shots. Go check them out as well. Let me know in the comments below if you have any other courier service delivery that you're using. I'll be going back to all my videos to remove all my DHL eShop links. That's it from me. Thank you, and we'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.